Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these kind of hover effect with image transition, right? So as you can see, the moment I hover on this particular image, the image expands, it kind of becomes larger, as well as the color changes, right? It's basically the tonality, the gradients, all of that change. And that's the reason why it kind of shows that there are some changes in the image itself, which basically just nothing but the change of contrast. But this looks really nice when you add this to your landing pages. Again, inside high level, it's pretty easy to do, very simple and easy step. I hope that you already have this particular landing page which I'm giving away for free. So if you have it, that's great. Now what you need to do is you need to implement this particular code which I'm going to give you now. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently in the Go High Level funnel builder. Now if I click on this particular image, we do have animations inbuilt by high level, but unfortunately we do not have any kind of hover effect on this particular image. What we do have is we do have other kinds of different cool animation, which is great, but I really want this kind of expansion as well as the gradient color changes, just so that kind of looks more lively and more interactive. All right. Now the thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular code, right? So if you want this particular code, just write COD code in the comment section. I'll be happy to give it to you for absolutely free. So here you go, right? A very simple, straightforward code which I'm going to show you here. It does two things, right? First, it has a smooth hover zoom effect, so it kind of zooms in, right? It the color, which basically means it changes the gradient, the contrast, which makes it look like something's changing. Again, a very pretty nice interactive version of it. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, this is a very simple yet detailed document. So I'm basically just going to copy this and just copy. The moment you copy it, just go here in your Go High Level account, go to custom CSS, the brush icon. Do you see that? Click on that and just paste it. We don't literally have to do any changes in this particular code, right? You only have to copy this hover zoom, right? Copy this, make sure you save this particular code, right? And wherever you have an image which you want to have this hover plus gradient transition, just click on this particular image, go to styles, come down, right? You will be able to see something called as custom class. Now GoHighLevel is pretty great in order to introduce custom classes so that we can customize as per requirement. Just add the particular class and boom, you're done, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have preview this particular setup and see how it's going to take you a few seconds, and then we are again, this particular file template is available for free for most of you, so make sure you use this particular one and then use these effects. You see that? Looks beautiful, looks neat, looks clean. I really like it. All right, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the other one.